possibility. Hey, then maybe you could have it. 'Cause thus far you are so. You make me feel gold. I'd rather lose all my control. It's a dive into danger. OoWee, goddamn. Well, stick to your plan. 'Cause I got a feeling I know who you are. Hey, maybe I can really be that man. OoWee, goddamn. When we do all we can. I traded in my for the long run. Yeah, yeah. Need you to believe here I stand. Maybe it's the alcohol. I'm just seeing you without any draws, sipping on this lemonade. You and I seem so involved. We should go and spend it all immediately when my check comes in on Monday. 'Cause thus far you are so. You make me feel gold.
So once we hit the flex on the 8, then what we want to do is we want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that is a big chest grinding movement, okay? I want you to really, really move that chest around, move that torso right around your hips, okay? Really rotate that body right around. Really feel that sexual energy with this movement here, yeah? 1, 2, 3, and once again on the 4, we're going to do a full rotation. 1, 2, 3, and as we look like we're about to start our next rotation.